hey, this is the most valuable tool ever. It can be used all the way to 3 years old, all the way up to infinity. So it's a self-management to stay on task. It allows you to work if you're a college student working on your assignments, if you're in high school, grade school working on your assignments, if you're preschool working on certain projects at home, if you're an adult learner, if you are an employee somewhere, either working mobily or if you are at the office, whatever the case may be, this is a really good tool to like stay on task, get hyper focus, all your attention on one thing. You can see on the right hand side is your reinforcer list. So everything that's going to be a reinforcer that you will have access to after you have completed the whole sheet. So it could be for kids, oh, they now have access to play with their Legos, or now they have access to play with their video games, or now they have access to a dance party. Whatever you can create and be very creative, but it has to fit that individual, what they want to do. For you, it could be, hey, to grab a coffee. It could be simple as, oh, I want to walk around the block. For college students, it could be, hey, I can now have access to talk to one of my classmates. So whatever the reinforcer is, you put it there there in the right hand column. You can see on the left hand side it says task and work. Like what it is it a subject? Is it planting flowers? Is it working on an art project? Is it a subject? Is it a work assignment project? And you split them out so things don't become too overwhelming. You do smaller steps and you manage them a little bit better. You can set your timer for adult learners, college students, high school students. 45 minutes is a great time. 45 minutes of that complete hyper-focused. You're in the zone. You are doing it. Younger children, you would make it a little, maybe 10 minutes for preschool, a little bit, maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes for grade school, middle school. And then you would then select the work that you would be doing for that duration. You set the timer so then when the 45 minutes is up or that time is up that you selected, it goes off. You know at that moment you put everything down and you get your 5-minute break. 5-minute break could be designed anything that you would like. You can have the kids run around the house a couple times. It could be doing some jumping jacks. It could be shooting some baskets in a plastic hoop by the door. Sky's the limit. It could be a little bit of bubbles. It could be a little bit of dance, but you want to break for 5 minutes, give your brain a break, and then you mark a check, like done, I finished my work 1. Then you go to 2, then you go to 3, and you just keep repeating that. Once you get all the way to 4, you did it. Congratulations. You've completed all your work, and now you have access to whatever that reinforcer is. Go get a cup of coffee, or it could be the kids now can play with their Lego set. But you have this awesome sense of achievement because you stayed on task, you were hyper-focused on that one thing, you were present in that moment, and now you get exactly what you said you were going to get. So it works really well for kids, it works really well for adults, and as simple as it is, it really is a powerful tool. So you can use it, and again, anytime, any different kind of work that you want, and you can create it easily in a Word document, Excel document, or if you want to draw it on a chalkboard, sky's the limit. But this really is one of the best tools out there for staying on task. Enjoy!